Hello friends, welcome to Pebbles. Today we are going to see how to make a serious connection of a DC motor and its application. Let's see the video. Take the cardboard and place the 9-volt battery on that. Place the switches on the cardboard. Switch on the cardboard. And place the syringe on the other side of the cardboard. Now take the plunger and cut the nipple. Now place the stick on the top. Now place the DC motor on the top of the stick. Another motor, another side of the stick. Now we are going to connect the two DC motor into series. Battery connected to the battery. Connect the negative terminal of both the motor to the negative terminal of the battery. Connect the positive terminal to the switch off. Connect the positive terminal to the switch. And connect the fan blade to the motor. Now switch on the DC motor. Now it's working. After completing all the wiring, insulate the tape. Now switch on. Fan is working. Using plunger you can turn the fan. Okay viewers, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.